Since 1937, over 100 million copies of Think and Grow Rich have been sold. So, why aren't there 100 million new millionaires? The answer is simple. Most people misread the title. They read think and interpret it as daydream. Napoleon Hill wasn't writing about wishing for wealth. He was writing about a psychological operating system. Today, we decode the actual mental frameworks behind the most successful people in history. Napoleon Hill spent 20 years interviewing the 500 wealthiest men of his era. He interviewed titans like Carnegie and Henry Ford to find the common denominator of success. Napoleon Hill discovered that wealth starts with a highly specific state of mind. It doesn't start with a lucky break, an inheritance, or even a specific business model. Mindset matters because your brain acts as a filter for the real world. Without a target, your mind defaults to seeking comfort and avoiding pain. Insight number 1 is having a definiteness of purpose. A vague desire is essentially a wish, and wishes don't trigger action. This is the sunk cost of average that holds most people back. Consider Edwin C. Barnes, who had a definite purpose to partner with Thomas Edison. He had no money or connections, but he refused to leave until he was hired. By burning his ships, he gave himself no retreat from his singular goal. Contrast this with a lottery player who wishes for wealth but lacks a clear plan. With a definite purpose, your choices become binary, toward your goal or away. Like and subscribe if you want more deep insights to help you grow wiser. Deep insight number 2, autosuggestion and the Reticular Activating System. The RAS is a bundle of nerves that filters billions of bits of information daily. It only lets through information it believes is important to you. This is why you start seeing a specific car everywhere once you've bought it. Visualizing your goal daily programs your biological targeting system. Program for wealth, and your brain spots resources you were previously blind to. Framework 3, the Mastermind Principle. Don't fall for the lone wolf trap. No two minds come together without creating a third intangible force. Jobs brought the vision. Wozniak built the tech. Together, they solved the impossible. Surrounding yourself with higher frequency people elevates your baseline of normal. Here is Napoleon Hill's rigid 6-step formula to translate philosophy into action. Fix the exact amount you desire and determine what you will give in return. Establish a definite date and create a plan to begin at once. Write out your statement and read it aloud twice daily with deep emotion. The deepest lesson is self-mastery, utilizing the power of your own mind. Wealth is the physical manifestation of an organized, purposeful mind. To recap, vague wishes keep you broke. Program your RAS and leverage the mastermind. Subscribe to keep building a wealthy mind. Let me know your favorite takeaway.